Here once again we're finding a shorter side. It's a right-angled triangle, so we know that Pythagoras' theorem applies. A squared is b squared plus c squared. The a always represents the hypotenuse. The shorter sides we can then call b and c. Substituting in, we have 18 squared is equal to x squared plus 8 squared. Since these two things are equal, there's no reason we can't write x squared plus 8 squared is equal to 18 squared. Subtracting 8 squared from both sides gives us that x squared is 18 squared. Take away 8 squared, and calculating this we get x squared is equal to 260. Now square rooting both sides gives x is the square root of 260, and therefore x is equal to 16.12 and so on, which is 16.1 centimeters, correct to 3 significant figures.